Okay, so here we are. We're live, we're on the head.
Single-handed Hobie 16 video.
Yeah, this is gonna... I've got the GPS on as well, so we can see how fast we're going. The feet aren't quite used to walking on the stones just yet. That's the result of a winter in socks. Can you believe it? But the wind is looking pretty good. Might be a bit light to start with. So I'm just going to do one run, then I'm going to come back. Is that alright, Ollie? Yeah, you're right, just to hang on, it'll just be a short run. Okay, here we are, going into the water. Very nice. Lovely water here in Vasiliki, of course. So, what better way to start than with a beach start? There we go. Oh, gonna thread the needle between these speedboats. Not recommended. Oh, and there's a bit of wind now, so off we go. Oh yeah, there's quite a bit of wind. Nice. So this is just going to be a short run. This is taken from today's live stream. Sorry if the wind noise is quite excessive, but there is quite an excessive amount of wind. Okay, just checking. Yeah, there's someone to windward, so I can't tack. So I'm going to jibe. There we go, looking downwind for where to jibe. Alright, here we go. Yeah, not quite planing out there, but just going to pump her back onto the plane. Yeah, you can't live in Vasiliki and not Windsor. It is against the rules. Oh, so we've got some good stuff here, so I might just try going in a loop. We can oh no, not enough. Right. Live stream. Just over rotated that one a little bit. Whew. Kept the camera on the head though. Feels pretty good. Okay, there we go. Oh, can you just press the flip the screen round button?
Yeah, there you go.
Thanks very much. X Death Wave. Wow, that's a hell of a name. XX1000. Yeah, managed to keep the camera on my head throughout. That was the main objective. So I'll get that video on later as well, uploaded. And there you go. So, whew, God, it's a bit lively. That sort of level of intensity on the water. So thanks very much for tuning in. There'll be more videos coming soon. I'll get that live Hobie 15 with commentary. It wasn't live actually. It was live at the time, but it won't be by the time you come to see it. It'll be something that happened before. Alright, so thank you very much for everybody for watching. Thanks for everyone for supporting the channel. Thanks to everyone who's been shopping at totaljoyrider.com. It really helps and makes me feel special. And dream job. Yeah, it is. Thank you.